Guess what? Got my Ipsy back. Ooh. I'm sure I got it a bit ago, but here I am trying to do this, and then I get a call from a scammer. Come on, guys, you're ruining my groove. Anyways, I pulled it out. The bag. I pulled the bag out. Okay, it's an alright bag. Cool designs, but not my style. Let's see what's inside. Hey guys. Do you like my stuffed animals? Look, I got a giant poop. Okay, enough fooling around. It's time to open up this bag and see what's inside. So we got our first item. It's Huda Beauty lip strobe. Huda Beauty. Interesting color. Looks nice. Looks like it's gonna look good on me. Let's see. Okay, I turned off the filters so you can see what this looks like. I don't know if fine enough. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh, that's dark. I may have put on too much. It's on getting on my teeth. I like it though, just a little less. This filter looks pretty cool with my lip gloss. I mean, lip strobe. But here is our second item. Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel-Off Mask. Wow. But a peel-off mask, yay, I like those. I either like the sheet masks or the peel-off masks. They're pretty cool. Purifies pores, brightens skin, visibly firms and tightens. That sounds good. That sounds nice. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't see that. My other hand's holding up the phone. This is gonna be an interesting filter. Every time I open my mouth, I get a tongue. Okay, here's a second item. Sugar! What are you? Cute box? Ooh, cute. That's great. I love it. Contour de Force Mini Blush Peach Peak. Ooh. Nice. Can't wait to use that. Is blush. Hey, what's up, you guys? We got our fourth item. If I can get it. It is hello. This filter doesn't work out for me.
Huh? Oh boy, I've got another item for you guys. Hello!
Okay, enough of that. Yeah, so this is a highlighter, Tetris Ipsy. Is this made for specifically Ipsy? I don't know. It's a highlighter. Ooh. You know, in retrospect, I probably should have opened it. But here's the box of the highlighter. The hello highlighter. It looks exactly like the Ipsy bag. And here's for reference. Yes. So I think this is made specifically from Ipsy. Yeah. Whoa. Game on, mother. Boop. But that looks like an interesting color. It's gold. Tetris Live. It's gold, you guys. Last but not least. It is delectable, buttered, buffed, butter wash body polish, triple citrus blend. Ooh, it's body polish. Oh, I'm gonna polish my body. I'm sure this is gonna be nice. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Thanks for watching my Ipsy bag reveal or opening, whatever. I want to do more of these. Whenever I get it, I'm like, I should do it. But then I don't. I don't know. I want to like do this all the time and do other videos, but I'm shy.